Hello my friend, this time I'm going to introduce you to Ikea NISSEDAL mirror with article number 200C90871, and I'm going to unboxing it, and I will show you how I hanged it on the wall in my daughter's bedroom. This mirror is 65 by 150 cm large, with white stained oak effect on its frame. This mirror can be hung horizontally or vertically on your wall, depending on your preferences and what the best fits for your space. It is provided with safety film, reduce damage if the glass is broken. The NISSEDAL mirror is suitable for use in most rooms and tested and improved for bedroom use as well. Have a nice watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will answer to you. But for now, background music.